Good morning, teachers. Yes, paki-like ng ating live. So, I'm audible ba, everyone? We will start by 8:30. So, kagaya sa post natin, we will start by 8:30. So, wait natin yung iba para sabay-sabay tayo o sabay-sabay kayong mabigyan ng actual board question na lumabas last 2025. I'm audible ba? Paki-comment nga po if I'm audible. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Thank you. So, magsa-start tayo by 8:30 at kung 1,000 hearts tayo, magsa-start agad tayo. So, sa gusto magstay, stay lang. Sa mga hindi magsistay, it's okay. So, yung mga magsistay lang ang amin na gustong malaman ang mga lumabas last September and then possible, no? Hindi man 100% na masasabi ko na lalabas ulit ito, pero 50% po na pwede siyang lumabas ulit sa Prof Ed. So we will start by 8:30 and sana makaabot tayo ng 1,000 hearts before we start. Help me everyone, itap nyo na ang screen at mag-manifest para makapag-start tayo. Sabay manifest. March 1 na. So, for 15 days, no? 14 days na lang. Board exam na. Ang totoong laban ninyo mga teachers. So, make sure na ready na kayong lahat. And then, by the way, sa ating Gen Ed, mamimigay din ako ng tricks or way sa Gen Ed Mathematics na no need nyo na mag-solve. Kasi yun din ang ginawa at tinuro sa amin ng aming RC last year. Sa mga nagsi-self-review, kung gusto nyo po malaman ang mga way or tricks sa Gen Ed Math, no? Para mas mabilis nyo siyang malaman ang correct answer, no need to solve. Kasi mauubos yung time nyo sa pagsosolve, most especially sa mga mahihina sa mathematics. Make sure na mag-attend kayo later sa ating Gen Ed Mathematics. So, more on flashcard ang ating Gen Ed kasi para mabilis nyo siyang maalala. Thank you so much. Umabot na ng 1,000 ang ating hearts. So, 2 minutes left before we start. So, wala pa akong nakikitang nag-share ng ating live. Paki-share na po ng ating live before we start. Ano bang major yan, te? So, sa gusto magpa-member, no, sa aming group chat, still open pa din kasi 15 days pa naman. Nandun na po lahat ng mga restricted files kagaya nito. You can access, you can download para at least ma-familiarize mo yung mga tanong na posibleng uulit this March 2026. Alright, 1 minutes left. Magtitimpla lang muna ako ng aking coffee. Just wait. Take down notes, everyone. Record your score. Try nyo if papasa ang score nyo this time sa ating live session. This is new curriculum naman po. Actually, even though old or new curriculum, the content of the board exam is still the same. Yung binabago lang po nila is the pattern. Kaya wag kayong mag-overthink. Last time sinabi nila sa amin na mas mahirap yung last time, September, kasi kami ang new curriculum. Pero yung board exam is still the same naman pala ng mga past year. So yung binago lang is the pattern sa TOS. Like for example, sa professional education, we have assessment of learning, child and adolescents, ano pa ba, facilitating of learning, ano pa ba. So binago nila, which is nauuna yung child and adolescents, pangalawa yung assessment of learning, mga ganon. So randomize yung tanong nila. So but the content is still the same sa board exam. Kaya wag kayong mag-worry regarding sa new curriculum. Yes. So ano muna ako, everyone. Magtitimpla ng coffee, magsa-start tayo. So 8:31 na, no? 1 minutes ng ating late. So wait pa natin ang iba, everyone. Kasi sila yung nag-request, no? Yung mga kahapon, nag-request sila ng ganito. So medyo wait natin. So try natin kung sino yung maiiwan dito. Sila lang yung makakatanggap, no, ng ating blessing this morning, March 1. Yes, Gen Ed tayo kahapon, no, kasi pero hindi ako naka-live. Kasi meron akong appointment kahapon. But don't worry, later, Gen Ed Mathematics tayo, flashcard. Para mas mabilis niyong maalala yung mathematics, no need to solve. Automatic, pag nakita nyo yung keyword, automatic alam na agad ang sagot sa mathematics. Alright, we will start na siguro, no? So, ang iba, maghabol na lang sila or magpa-member na lang sila sa aming group chat. Okay, first item, number 1. To determine her student's level of moral development, teacher may present to her class a morally ambiguous situation and ask them what they would do in such a situation, on whose theory is teacher Evangeline's technique based. Is it Bronner, Schoolberg, Freud, or Piaget? Teacher Mainha, error ako dito, bakit Evangeline to? Si Teacher Evangeline. Take down notes, everyone. This is the actual board question na nalikom ng aming RC last time. This question is kinuha ko sa group chat namin dati, na after board exam is nag-send lahat ng mga reviewees ng mga question na kanilang natandaan during the board exam. So nilikom ko lahat yon para may copy tayo. So ano na ba ang inyong mga sagot? Letter B, Colbert. Wait lang, parang hindi siya. Yes, the correct answer is Colbert. Kung correct ka sa number 1, tap the screen. Oh, saya na, mali ka. Tap the screen, sino ang mga nakatama? First item, tumpak, papasa na. Make sure mag-follow everyone, manifesting sa mga magfa-follow this time. Kasi this is the actual board questions. Thank you so much sa mga magfa-follow, manifesting ko kayo. And mamaya pupunta ako ng church. Lahat ng mga names ay ipipray natin sa church, no, napapasa na this March. Number 2. What principle is violated by overusing the chalkboard as though it is the only education technology available? So ano daw ang na-violate, no? By overusing the chalkboard? Is it isolated use? Is it flexibility? Is it uniformity? Or variety? Are you sure that is flexibility? Feeling ko marami ditong magkakaligwak from this item. Are you sure it's basic? Tingnan nga natin kung papasa kayo dito. Bibigyan ko kayo ng another seconds na pag-isipan ang mga sagot nyo kasi marami akong nakikitang mga mali ang sagot. I-remove na natin si letter A, the isolated use. No. It's very negative. Remove the letter A. Ayan. Nagpalit ng sagot ang lahat kasi tinanggal ko si letter A. Ayan ha, bahala kayo dyan. Paki-share ng ating live, everyone. For those na gusto pa magpa-member sa group chat, available ang mga restricted files doon. You can download. Magpa-member na kayo sa mga nafe-feel na kulang pa ang learnings nila. Our group chat is still open. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok, everyone. 100 pesos na lang magpa-member sa aming group chat. Message nyo lang po ako dito sa TikTok. Re-replyan ko kayo kaagad ngayon. Alright, ilabas na natin ang answer kasi maraming nag-overthink. The correct answer from this item would be, it's variety. Sino ang mga nakatama? Paki-raise ng hands. It's variety po ang tamang sagot. Kasi violate niya po yung overusing chalkboard, meaning to say, hindi niya po ginamit ang iba't ibang instructional, instructional materials, no? Kasi nakafocus lang siya sa chalkboard. Hindi niya ginamit yung iba't ibang technology na available naman na pwedeng gamitin sa pagtuturo. That's why ang kanyang violate is the variety. Sino ang mga nakatama? Paki-tap the screen, everyone. This is the actual board question last September. Make sure na alam nyo na. So, tap the screen, ayan. So, buti na lang binigyan ko kayo ng time kasi kanina yung pinili nyo is the flexibility. Ligwak sana kayong lahat. Ganyan sa board exam, huwag magmadali. Try to understand, comprehend. Again, 14 days na lang. March 15 na. Board exam nyo na. Make sure na mag-follow at magpa-member na sa aming group chat to access the restricted files kagaya nito. Mga actual board questions. 100 pesos magpa-member. Message nyo lang ako here sa TikTok, everyone. Next item. So, take time to read muna, everyone. Magtitimpla muna ako ng coffee. The wide acceptance of bottom-up management style has influenced schools to practice which management practice? So, may nababasa ako sa comment section na parang ma-pride siya. I tried to, to mute na lang siguro. kasi napakaano niya, parang nagmamagaling siya dito sa comment section. Isang comment niya na lang na parang hindi ko magugustuhan, i-mute natin siya. So, take time to understand muna everyone. Kuha lang muna ako ng coffee. And tap the screen at mag-follow everyone. Tap the screen at mag-follow.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What is your answer? The correct answer would be yes, letter C is our correct answer. Involvement of students, parents, teachers, and community school planning. Kasi bottom up, mula sa pinakamababa patungo sa itaas, from students to community school. That is letter C. Sino mga naka-correct? Sino na dito yung naka 3 points? Hindi po, letter C is the correct answer, not letter D. Sino mga naka-perfect 3 points out of 3? Ayan, si Rish this 22nd. Aljane, nag-reply na ako sa iyong chat. Next one, which is an inappropriate way to manage off-task behavior? Which is an inappropriate way to manage off-task behavior? Ano na ang inyong mga answer? Iba-iba ang sagot nila. Wait lang, ayusin muna natin. Inappropriate po, meaning to say negative po ang hanapin ninyo. A. Redirect a child attention to tasks and check his progress to make sure he is continuing work. It's positive. B. Stop your class activity to correct a child who is no longer on task. Negative. Make eye contact to communicate what you wish to communicate. It's positive. Move closer to the child to make him feel your presence. It's positive. So alin ba yung negative dito? Perfect. It's top your class activity to correct a child who is no longer on task. Ganyan umatake sa Prof. Ed. Hanapin mo kung negative yung hinahanap sa tanong, negative ang iyong isasagot. Pero depende. Kasi minsan negative ang tanong pero may karugtong na except one aside from ano pa ba except mga ganon. Even negative yung question, ang hinahanap pala is positive. Pero this time, negative po ang hinahanap kasi inappropriate way. Lahat ng choices, the letter A, C, and B is a positive. Only letter B is the negative. Yes, minsan double ang negative, pero hanapin mo yung mas highest na parang below to the ground na negative. Next item natin, congratulations sa mga naka-perfect. When teacher D may present a set of data, then ask the student to enter a conclusion, generalization, or a pattern of relationship. Which method does she use? I-mute ko ang mga nagpapanext ha at mga nagde-demand. I-mute ko. Again, this is free. Bawal kayo dito. Magmadali. May makikita kung magni-next dyan, automatic block at mute. The correct answer would be letter D, inductive inquiry method. Letter D po ang tamang sagot. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose po. Thank you for the rose. Next one. Ayan, na may mga naka-perfect. Congratulations, papasa na this May 2026. When adolescents combines ability to use deductive and inductive reasoning in constructing realistic rule that he can respect the life by, how does he perceive his environment? Thank you, Aya, science major. 14 days left, board exam na. Super bilis, no? So, parang kailan lang kami nag-board exam. Ngayon, board exam na naman. The day is so fast. Good luck, no? Good luck sa mga magre-retake this time. Hopefully, in praying, na this is your last take na. What is your answer? When adolescents combine ability to use deductive and inductive reasoning in constructing realistic rule that he can respect the respect, and live by? How does he perceive his environment? A. He views the world from his own perspective. B. He sees the world in himself through the eyes of other people. C. He interprets events from a limited view. Letter D. He says event apart from himself and other people. The correct answer would be, ba't di na tumanex? Ano nangyari? Letter D po. He sees event apart from himself and other people. Letter D po is the correct answer. Walang nakatama. I think walang nakakorrect. May nakatama ba from this item? Si oatmeal. Ikaw lang po ba nakatama? Again, later, mathematics gen ed tayo. Yung mga flashcard natin sa mathematics, like the Toyota, the eggs, ano pa ba? So, doon natin malalaman later sa mathematics, no? Para no need to solve the problem, no need to solve the question. Pagkakita ng keyword, automatic alam agad ang sagot. Make sure na kayo mamaya, mag-join sa ating mathematics gen ed. Next item. Ba't dito next? Ano bang nangyayari? Ayan na po sa aking uploaded na po ang aking YT sa aking TikTok. Makikita mo po dyan ang name ng aking YouTube. Secret. Mamaya nating malalaman si Toyota. Malalaman natin mamaya yung si Toyota, yung ilan ang equivalent ng 5 girls in a row, 5 boys in a row, mga ganon sa mathematics. Ano pa ba? The viand, the rice, may mga equivalent yan. Kapag nakita nyo lang sa tanong ang mga ganyang words, automatic. Kasi sa PRC, hindi po nagbabago ng tanong sa mathematics lang ha. Sa mathematics, sa Gen Ed, no? Hindi po binabago ni PRC yon. Yung binabago ya lang is yung mga character or yung mga person or mga pangalan sa question. Halimbawa, last sa amin September yung ginamit si Maria, possible na ang gagamitin na pangalan ngayon si Narcisa, mga ganon. Pero the equation, the amount, the given problem is still the same. Kaya make sure mag-attend kayo later sa mathematics. This is good for all na nagsi-self-review na hindi naka-attend ng mga final coaching. This mathematics is very helpful to all of you, everyone. The correct answer from this item, we are very much interested in the quality professional development program for teacher. What characteristics should we look for? Required for renewal, prescribed by the top in the educational leader, C, responsive to identified teacher needs, letter D, dependent on the availability of funds. The correct answer would be perfect. Letter C, responsive to identified teachers needs. Sino mga nakakorrect, paki-raise ng hands at i-manifest natin dito ang pangalan nyo sa mga nakatama from this item. Hindi ko po nabilang kung ilang items na po kami. Hindi ko kasi nilagyan ng numbers. Yes, this is live recorded and ipopost din ito sa YouTube. And pwede din ninyo ma-access sa aming group chat. Magpa-member lang kayo sa aming group chat. Marami ng members doon. Ma-access mo lahat ng mga restricted files. Next one. teacher helping a colleague grow professionally. This is technology transfer, peer mentoring, facilitating independent study. Are you sure that is peer mentoring? Bigyan ko kayo ng another chance. Ayan, biglang nag-change ng answer ang ating mga teachers. So, hindi na gumagalaw yung ating hearts, yung ating reactions sa taas. Paki-heart na nga everyone. Before we reveal the answer, paki-tap the screen everyone. Hindi na gumagalaw ang ating So, the correct answer would be, thank you so much sa mga nakatama. Let's try if your answer is correct. So, kahit ganitong lang kasimpleng tanong, medyo magko-confuse ka talaga because the peer mentoring and the facilitating is very much related. Pero the correct answer would be peer mentoring. Not all po na for student lang ang peer mentoring kasi teacher still needs a learning. So need pa ng mga teacher na ng mentor, no, para mas maging mag-grow pa ang kanilang professionalism. Sino mga nakatama sa mga nag-change ng answer? So sad sa inyo. But still congratulations pa din. Tap the screen, everyone, tap the screen para mas mag-public yung ating live. Next one. Letter B, art over academic. Are you sure? Parang ano? Okay. Please share our live, everyone. Papa ang mag-share. Manifesting si Stephanie at si Piatos, sending my dust. A student passes a book report written but ornately presented in a folder to make up for the poor quality of the book content. Which Filipino trait that this practice prove? Is it art over science, art over academic, substance over forma, forma over substance? Ayan, nagkakalito sila sa letter C at saka sa letter D. Ano ba ang tamang sagot? The correct answer would be forma over substance. Sino mga nakatama? Paki-raise ng hands. Ayan, papasang talaga kayo everyone. By the way, breakfast muna tayo. Kumain na ba kayo everyone? Kumain kayo everyone pag gumana utak nyo. Next one. Nagkakape. Okay lang. Nag-take na kayo ng inyong brain booster. Sino ba dito ang mga nag-iinom ng brain booster? Transition ha? Ensure orderly of transition. A. Have the materials ready at the start of the activity. Allow time for student to socialize in between activities. Letter C. Assign fewer exercise to fill allotted time. Ligwak si letter C. Letter D. Wait for student who lag behind. Nagtatalo-talo si letter A at saka si letter B. Nasa yellow basket ko po. You can check that one. Yes, the correct answer would be letter A po. Sino mga nakatama? Letter A po. Ayan, premi lang pasok si Ma'am Aya. Ayan, thank you so much. Next one. Christina's family had a family picture when she was not yet born. Unable to see herself in the family picture, she cried despite her mother's explanation that she was not yet born when the family picture was taken. What does Christina's behavior shown? Nagdadrama si Christina, balaan niya wala pa siya na nabunag. Naghinibi siya. So, hindi pa daw naipanganak si Christina. Nagkaroon na ng family picture ang kaniyang family. Ngunit nang nakita niya ang picture, siya ay umiyak dahil wala siya sa kanilang family picture. So, kahit anong explanation ang gawa ng kaniyang ina, hindi pa rin siya tumitigil. So, ano ba ang kanyang behavior na ipinapakita? It's limited social cognition, egocentrism, semi-logical reasoning, rigidity of thoughts. Pabida din si Christina eh. Thank you for following. No worries, Ma'am Kylie. The correct answer is, yes, egocentrism. Letter B. Yes, it's egocentrism. Meaning to say, si Christina ay nasa under pa siya ng hindi pa gaano ang kanyang utak, ang kanyang thinking, hindi pa gaano ka expert, hindi pa gumagana ng mas malawak, no? Kasi hindi niya pa talaga alam kung ano ba ang tamang mamaya pa po. After this live, pupunta pa ako ng church. Gayahin niyo si Linda, 719. Dapat sa inyo is out of 150, dapat mga 145, 140. Sige. Audiovisual. Saan ba diyang na may audiovisual? Magaling sa panonood. Sa panonood ng alin? Letter B. Your physical appearance and voice should be such the students are helped to learn. Letter B is our correct answer. Paki-heart nyo na everyone ng ating live manifesting. Next one. Paki-heart po, paki-heart. Maybe. Possible din po na ganyan ang lumalabas sa entrance exam. But I'm not sure. History books used in school are repleted ata yan, with event portraying defeats and weaknesses of the Filipino people. In the spirit of nationalism, how should you tackle them in the classroom? A. Present them as they are that tell the class to accept reality. B. Present the fact and use them as means to teach and inspire your class. C. Present the fact and express your feeling of regret. D. Present the fact including those people responsible for the failure or for those who contributed. Final answer nyo na ba yan? Ang letter B, are you sure? Yes, the correct answer is letter B. Britney, ano ba yan? Yes, letter B po ang tamang sagot. When you reach the plateau of learning, what should you do? Ito te ang kailangan nyo ngayon. Ito ang dapat nyong ano te. Ang dapat nyong susundin kapag na-reach na ang inyong plateau of learning. Yes, the correct answer would be, sorry, kumakain kasi ako. Letter B, reflect what caused it. Pwede naman siya. Mag-rest kayo muna. Pero kung ako sigurang susundin, letter D ang aking susundin. Kailangan ko talaga mag-rest. Next item. Rest for a while and laban ulit. A teacher does not agree with the selective retention policy of the school and she openly talks against it in her class. Is her behavior ethical? A. Yes, provided she got the permission from her superior to talk against the policy. B. No. It is her duty to faithfully carry it out even if she does not agree. C. No. In fact, she is quiet confused, and passes on her confusion to others. D. Yes, she is entitled to her opinion just as everybody is. Yes, the correct answer is no. It is her duty to faithfully carry it out even if does not agree. So wala talagang magagawa si teacher kundi sumunod sa kahit anong batas ang pinapatupad sa eskwelahan. Bawal ka magbida-bida. All you need to do, follow. Even you are not agree for that specific policy. You need to follow. Next one. Thank you, Beng, for following. Ipaglalaban ko. Theft of school equipment like TV, computer, and etc. by people in the community itself is becoming a common phenomenon. What does this signify? Thank you for the fire, Mikius. Thank you for the care. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated, Mikius. A. Prevalence of poverty in the community. B. Inability of school to hire security guard. Sir, ask ko lang po ano po dadalhin sa board exam. 3 pencils, Mongol 2, 1 ball pen, yung bawal ang inkjet pen, preferably the normal pen lang. Bawal din ang mga sign pen kasi nagkakaroon ng what do you call this, na parang ano siya, tawag sila, galapta. And then transparent bag. Mathematics major, yes, you can you can bring your calculator kasi gagamitin niyo yan sa majorship niyo. Pero during the Gen Ed, pinagbabawal po ang calculator. Math major lang ang allow to bring the calculator. And then your foods, dapat siya, unpack. Ilagay niyo siya sa transparent na plastic. Answer muna this time. It's letter D. Community lacks of sense of co-ownership. Marami ang nagkamali from this item. Ewan ko kung sino yung mga nakatama. Thank you, Mickey's, for sending those gifts. Very much appreciated. Industrial art, sa pagkakaalam ko po, math major lang talaga ang inaalaw na magdala ng calculator. I'm not sure sa industrial arts. May solving ba sa industrial arts? Siguro yung mga yung mga measurement, I think. But I'm not sure kung inaalaw. Pero sa pagkakaalam ko po, math major lang ang pwede magdala ng calculator. Next one. Accordingly, yes, bawal din ang science major. According to the terms of marriage, what do you call a woman who is married to 2 or more men at the same time? Is it polyandry, polygamy, synogamy, patrilocal? Are you sure? Letter B agad, bahala kayo dyan. Confusing kayo. CBRC po. Hello mga ka-eagle. Ayan, sino ba dito mga malande? We will end by 10 kasi mayroon akong lakad. The correct answer is letter A, polyandry. No, polyandry po, not polygamy. Yan po ang tamang sagot dyan. Alright, we will end by 10. So, sana matapos natin to para later mathematics tayo, Gen Ed. Yung mga flashcards sa mathematics, like Toyota, how many boys in 5 row, how many girls in 5 row. Ano pa ba? Yung sa mathematics. Yung ilan ang viand, kumain sa kalendarya, ilan ang rice, ilan ang viand, mga ganon. So, see you later sa mathematics natin. One challenge is in peace education in teaching student how to think critically, not what to think. What strategy may develop skills? Debating the pros and cons of globalization, simulating experiences of disadvantaged people, discussing the UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights, writing a reflection paper after watching documentary film of human trafficking. So what would be the correct answer? Siyempre, walang iba kundi letter A, debating. Kasi si debating dito, pinapagana ang utak natin, no? Critically, not to think lang. Not only to think, but to think critically. You need to stand your evidences. Next one. Our true nationality is mankind. Give the most tagline for this slogan on cultural diversity. Cultural diversity ha, nationalist, millennial, cosmopolitan, parochial men. Wala pa, I think dito sa wala pa naman. Yung classroom assignment, pinopost yan nila I think next week siguro or this 2 week. Mag-abang lang kayo. Yes, Sir JD, still accepting the promo. Message nyo lang ako dito. Thank you so much. Magsisend pa ako mamaya ng Google Form. Makakaabot sa Google Form natin na pabaon. Yung Google Form is a board exam type question. So, makaka-answer ka po later. Iba-iba ang sagot. Lahat sila letter A. Kasi may nationality. National na lang ang kanilang sinagot. Bigyan ko kayo ng another chance. Ipaglalaban ko tahanan mo ako. Dapat nagsimba kayo, everyone. It's first Sunday of March. Yes, the correct answer would be letter C, the cosmopolitan man. That is our correct answer. The cosmopolitan man. Next one. Of subcategories of teacher movement behavior, what is happening when the teacher ends an activity or drops a topic before it is completed? It is jangle, flip-flop, cross, truncation. But letter D? Sure na ba kayo sa letter D nyo? Bahala kayo dyan. Tignan natin. Ipupusta nyo ang inyong lisensya dito sa item na to. Tingnan lang natin. Is it jungle, flip-flop, thrust, truncation? Ipaglalaban ko. The correct answer would be dangle po. Letter A po ang tamang sagot, not truncation. Ilan lang ang mga nakatama. Thank you so much. You are the top notchers from this item. Jungle po ang tamang sagot, not truncation. So medyo bilisan na natin kasi magi-end na tayo by 10. Dito tayo sa philosophy. Dito tayo sa philosophy of education. To the existentialist, man exists as an individual endowed with free will. O meron na tayong keyword, free will. He is what he does with his freedom. Following of this line of thinking, children in school must be taught to be responsible for the result of their actions, to hold fully accountability for the result of their action, to be careful in the exercise of their freedom. All above mentioned are true. Ipaglalaban ko. What would be your answer, teachers? Tahanan mo ako, di magbago yan. Yes, all above mentioned are true. Diba lahat naman sila ay very positive? Yes, letter D po ang tamang sagot from this item. Bum bum biram. Which tests determine whether students accept responsibility for their own behavior or pass on responsibility of their own behavior to other people? Locus of control, thematic, stylistic, sentence completion. Yep, the correct answer is letter A, locus of control. Perfect kayo mga teacher. Manifest muna natin before we continue. Tap the screen at mag-comment ng claim it. Manifest nyo na this March 1. Manifesting po dito. Manifesting natin dito. Comment, claim it, everyone. Ayan. Thank you so much. Claim everyone. Yes, 2 weeks na lang, no? 15, 14 days na lang. Next item, manifest nyo na talaga this time, teachers. Ability of a child is conceptualize the retention and preservation of the same quantity under various changes, accommodation, centration, assimilation, conservation. Ipaglalaban ko. Guys, andyan na po sa question. Nandyan na sa tanong ang sagot. Gamitin ang mata-mata technique. Tap the screen at mag-follow teachers. Follow everyone. Mag-follow na everyone. Ipaglalaban ko. Tanan mo ako. Yes, the correct answer is conservation po. Its letter D is our correct answer. Conservation. Ando na ho, preservation. You need to conserve. I-conserve. Preserve and conserve. Thank you, Tensi, for following. Which are the most appropriate characteristic of globally competitive individual? So, time natin para mabilis. Which are the most appropriate characteristic of a globally competent individual? A. Open-mindedness to a new culture. B. Foreign language policy. C. Adaptability to new work environment. D. Familiarity of a new cultures. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer would be perfect. Adaptability to a new work environment. That is our correct answer. Next one. This is a famous proverb. Once a teacher, forever a student. What does this statement imply about quality personal and professional development of teachers? A. The teacher learns from her students. B. It is continuing. C. The teacher is able to teach his or her student. D. Personal and professional development call for teachers' exposure to students. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Diyos ko, marami pang hindi alam ang ganitong question. So this is the basic po sa Prof. Ed. Dapat alam nyo na ito, my goodness. Once a teacher, it is forever a student. Kasi si teacher is continuing. Si teacher ay hindi nagsistop sa pag-learn. Every day is a learning. Oh my goodness. Marami ang nagkamali. Akala ko lahat kayo ay makakatumpak from this item. Pero ilan lang ang manakatama from this item. My goodness. 14 days na lang po. Hopefully, no, na hindi ganyan ang mindset niyo sa 15. How do you know a program for teachers' professional development that meets a high standard from one that does not? Quality professional development help teachers to get intrinsic motivated to grow continuously, put themselves far above their student, get promoted, earn MA unit for ranking purposes. Sa ganitong sagot na naman, marami na naman ako nakikitang mali ang kanilang sagot. Diyos ko. Buti na lang andito kayo ngayon sa live ko. How do you know daw for teachers' professional development para ma-meet ang high standard from one that does not? Quality professional development help teachers to perfect. Letter A po, to get intrinsic motivated to grow continuously. It's alpha. Alpha po ang tamang sagot, not hindi po letter B, not C, mas lalong hindi si letter D. Kasi lahat the letter C and the letter D is both extrinsic. Next item, out of 3 destructor in a multiple choice test item, namely X, Y, and Z, no pupil choose Z as an answer. This implies that Z is A, an effective destructor, B, a plausible destructor, C, a vague destructor, letter D, an ineffective destructor. What would be your answer? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So sad. Marami ang naligwak from this item. Ano ba? Diyos ko. Guys, 14 days na lang. Mas malala pa ang yung mga question sa actual board question. Hopefully, na kayang-kaya nyo ang Prof. Ed this time. Letter D is our correct answer. An ineffective destructor. Letter D is our correct answer. Next one. What do the school campus expression from D and baryothic indicate? A, the powerlessness of the poor. B, the power of the rich. C, low literacy rate of the country. D, the prevalence of ethnocentrism. What would be your answer, teachers? It's 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Letter D, the prevalence of ethnocentrism. Next one, o dito, pinaka-famous at pinaka-trending na Prof. Ed question last time. What Latin honor is the highest academic distinction, meaning with the highest praise that comprise the top 1% to top 5% of the graduating class? Is it cum laude? Is it magna cum laude? Is it summa cum laude? Or maxima laude? Last September, lahat ang sumagot ay maxima laude. Pero ang tamang sagot from this item would be, yes, it's summa cum laude. Maraming mga memes, no, LPT na kahit yung sinagot ay maxima laude. Yan ang pinaka-trending questions sa professional education na na-encounter namin last September 2025. Next one, when a teacher receive an outstanding award from DepEd district level, what stage in the Philippine professional standard for teachers can be classified? Is it highly proficient, novice, distinguished, or proficient? Ano bang tawag doon? For those na gusto pa magpa-member sa group chat, we are still open, no? Para ma-access niyo yung mga restricted files, pabaon files, pre-board files, mga keywords sa GenEd. So, we are still open, magpa-member. Sa mga nagsi-self-review na walang review center, na hindi pa gaano ka 100% ang kanilang learnings, I encourage you to join sa our membership group chat sa Messenger. Yes, it's distinguished is our correct answer. It's 100 lang naman po. 100 pesos. You can access all the files there. Just message lang here to my TikTok. Next one. In an era of knowledge explosion, what is supposed to be every teacher's most important responsibility to maximize children? Yes, may bayad 100 pesos. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok. Replyan ko kayo ngayon. Message nyo lang ako dito sa TikTok, everyone. 8. Teach learners the skills and how to learn. Teach learners information only. Teach learners how to evaluate information. Is it 1 and 2, 1 only, 1 and 2, 3 only? I mean 1 and 3, 1, 1 and 2, 3 only. Yep, the correct answer from this item number is letter A. Is it the teach learner the skills in how to learn? And number 3, teach learners how to evaluate information. Why is it not included si letter number 2? Because the word only. Kasi sa Prof Ed, kapag only, it's negative. Wait lang. Thank you for following. Hello po, senior high access. Ano pong ibig niyong sabihin? Next one, which is true about metacognitive teaching approach? Increases learner self-awareness, teachers monitored and controls learners' mental, makes learner relate to their learning, it's simple rote memory at work.